Hello, good day everyone. My name is Jaden, act as an operation manager from RioBit. So today I'm going to show you how to participate in the Eat, Share and Win contest for our Miralai Testimony contest. So today I'm going to tell you what you should do for your video. So first, you're gonna introduce yourself. You have to introduce your name, where you're from, and your age. And then second, we also would like to know that before you consume Miralai, what is your health concern, your health issue that you are facing. And then third, you have to let us know what is the benefit that you acquire after you taking Miralai. And also fourth, this one is the optional one. If you have combination of other products, you can also mention it. And then lastly, you do your closing speech to get people to like your video, to share your video, to comment your video, and also to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Okay, so next I'm going to show you the demonstration on what you should say. Okay, so first, before you record, there are a few things that you need to take note of. Okay, first thing is your video should be in landscape mode, horizontal but not portrait. So remember, record your video in landscape mode. Okay, and then keep your video between 1 to 3 minutes. There's nothing longer than 3 minutes because we want to keep it sharp and clear and clean. Okay, and then third, you're gonna speak in any language that you prefer. You can speak in English, you can speak in Zulu, you can speak in French, you can speak in Malay, you can speak in Tagalog. It's truly up to you. And for your information, the subtitle will not be added in, so it is truly up to you how many people you share, and also to the worldwide, to show the worldwide that we have all the testimony from around the globe. Okay, so before you start to record, remember to choose the good lighting place to see your handsome and beautiful face clearly. And then also make sure that the place is quiet enough to hear your voice, because we want your message to speak it loud and clear. And also for your eye level, always keep your eye onto the lens, to the screen, to make sure you are talking to your audience. Don't shoot it from below, don't shoot it from outside, because it's gonna looks very weird. It's somehow, I'll just do a demo for you. If you shoot it from below, hello everyone, it's not nice. If you shoot it from top, hi guys, okay, I lose some hair. See, so don't do that, okay? Make sure you always look into eye level and look into your face, see it clear. So guys, the flow will be as such. First, you're going to record your video, and then you're going to fill out the Google form. Follow our WhatsApp official channel to get the Google form, the Google link to fill up your information. And third, send your video to us. So we're going to review our video, and we're going to let you know whether the video is a pass or you have to do the recording again. So later part, after everything is done, we're going to upload to YouTube channel, and we will inform you. And the submission date will start from anytime from today after you watch this video. So get ready your video. And we're going to do the first posting on 1st of September. And the calculation starts from 1st of September until 24th of November. But do remember one thing, our cutoff date for video submission will be on 24th of October. So be prepared yourself, submit before 24th of October. And after the submission, the cutoff date, you have 1 month time for you to fight for your like, fight for your comment, fight for the video subscription to the YouTube channel. So you have 1 month time after your cutoff date. Fight it to win your contest. So now I'm going to show you how the video that you record, the demo should be looks like. Okay. For all the information that I'm going to say later is on example basis. Okay, so it's nothing true, just follow the flow. So this is the position that you should have. Of course, you can have your own creativity way, but make sure that we can see your face clearly, and also the message can pass nicely. Okay, so now I'm going to do the demo for you. Hi everyone, my name is Joseph Rudolph from Accra, Ghana, and currently I'm at age of 32. So before I'm consumed real life, I have I have migraine, I'm not able to sleep well at night. So after consuming Real Life, after 2 weeks on consumption, I felt that my migraine is getting lesser, and also I can sleep well, sleep like a baby at the night. So do try the product. I love it very much. It does help me, and I believe that it does. It will definitely going to help you too. So guys, also not to forget, help me to like the video, subscribe the channel, and also comment if you have any doubt or if you want to know more about this product. Thank you guys. This is your journey in Riobit, and also this is story between you and Real Life. Tell us your story with honesty, sincere, excitement, and smile. So we can't wait to celebrate together with your very nice testimony story. And remember, submit it to win the latest Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra for the grand prize. And we have still another 20 very good prizes awaiting ahead. So which means you have total of 21 prizes. And this is all throughout your own effort and hard work. So I'll see you at the top.